Welcome to the AI Atlas, your comprehensive guide to demystifying artificial intelligence. In this video, we will explore the foundation history and real-world application of AI. At its core, artificial intelligence is about making computer think and learn in a way that is similar to humans. AI can learn from information, solve problems, and make decisions. A simple example is recognizing patterns. If a computer is shown thousands of pictures of cat, it learns what a cat looks like. Later, when it sees a new picture, it can identify whether it is a cat or not. AI has changed a lot over the last 70 years. It started as a research field in 1956 and has gone through major milestones like IBM's Deep Blue, Siri and Generative AI. Today, AI is used around the world in everyday life. AI is part of our daily life. Even if we do not notice it, it helps power smartphones, improves education, makes online shopping easier, supports banking, and helps doctor private better healthcare. AI can be divided into three types. Narrow AI does specific tasks and is used today. General AI aims to think like humans but does not exist yet. Super AI would be smarter than humans and is only a future idea. AI is made up of different layers. Artificial intelligence is the main field. Inside it is machine learning, then deep learning, and finally generative AI, which can create new text, image, music, and more. An AI model works in 5 simple steps. Pull data, train the model, train patterns, make prediction, and product the final result. Generative AI can create many types of content, including text, image, videos, audio, music, computer code, and presentation. AI has both benefits and challenges. It improves productivity and helps people make faster decisions, but it also raises concerns about privacy, bias, and sometimes gives incorrect information. There are many AI tools available, including chatbot, image generate, and research assistance. If you are a beginner, start by learning one chatbot and one image tool. AI helps different people with everyone task. Students can summarize. Teachers can create lesson plans, create can write script, and programs can find and mix code errors. The future of AI is growing fast. It will play a bigger role in robotics, space exploration, manufacturing, and entertainment. In conclusion, AI is becoming a part of everyday life. Learn the basic, practice with AI tools, and keep improving your skills to stay ready for the future.